Time Mastery for TOEFL Writing. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're delving deep into the world of TOEFL writing. As many of you know, managing time effectively during this section is crucial. In this video, we'll discover actionable strategies to maximize your time and improve your scores. Remember, it's not just about writing, it's about writing smart. Before diving into time management, let's quickly refresh our understanding of the TOEFL writing section structure. 1. Integrated writing task. This section gives you 20 minutes to read a short passage, listen to a short lecture, and then write a response comparing the lecture and the reading. 2. Independent writing task. Here, you'll get 30 minutes to write an essay based on a given prompt. This will test your ability to generate and express your own ideas. Key takeaway: knowing the structure means you can allocate time effectively and approach each task with clarity. In this 20-minute task, follow this tried and tested timeline. 1. Reading, 5 minutes. Skim the passage for main ideas. Don't get bogged down in details. Make short notes on the side. 2. Listening, active phase. As you listen, jot down the main points and any counterpoints to the reading. 3. Planning, 2 minutes. Quickly outline your response. This will act as a roadmap for your essay. 4. Writing, 11 minutes. Write your response. Remember to compare the lecture and the reading. Avoid repeating yourself. 5. Review, 2 minutes. Check for glaring mistakes or omissions. Key takeaway: break down the task and follow the timeline strictly to ensure a well-rounded response. In the 30-minute task, consider this approach. 1. Planning, 5 minutes. Read the prompt and brainstorm your ideas. Create a brief outline with an introduction, 2 to 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. 2. Writing, 22 minutes. Follow your outline. Each paragraph should have a clear topic sentence followed by supporting details. 3. Reviewing, 3 minutes. Check for grammar, vocabulary, and coherence. Make necessary changes. Key takeaway: dedicate time for planning. A structured essay is always better received than a chaotic one. 1. Practice makes perfect. Regularly practice under timed conditions. This will improve your writing speed and accuracy. 2. Stay calm. If you feel stuck, don't panic. Take a deep breath, reread the question, and continue. 3. Use a clock. While practicing, always have a timer or clock in view. This will help you become more time-aware. Key takeaway: being familiar with the pressure of the clock is half the battle. That wraps up our journey into time management for TOEFL writing. Remember, every second counts, but with the right strategies in place, you're more than equipped to handle it. We hope this video proves to be a valuable tool in your TOEFL preparation journey. Best of luck, and happy writing!